For 15 years, a team of Gold Coast engineers has shared a grand dream for a very different world.
They won't have petrol stations, that's for sure.
This is how Michael Nugent plans to make that dream a reality. Engines powered by permanent magnets. Cyclone magnetic engines at Gather is not alone in this race for alternative power.
Not doing it as a backyard hobby. We are very real. Most of the other players are thinking in their backyard.
This isn't free energy, but it's definitely green. The next step for Cyclone is 300 horsepower engines to be tested in a drive across Australia.